Howdy, I just made a video, deleted it, and now I do basically a video about the reason why I deleted it and blah blah blah. Anyway, you're watching a clouds. If you suffer from pareidolia, you can see a dragon. So, clouds are plasma. A very weak plasma, but they are nonetheless plasma. It is charged matter, floating in different heights, in different charges into different directions. I stumbled across a video just before. I was so excited. I still haven't watched it till the end. But I got too excited about the whole thing. So, a year ago or something, I made this video, which obviously doesn't have any sound. All you need to know, 2020's great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, which was probably the time when they went into the sign of Pisces. No, Pisces. Aquarius. Sorry. Maybe they moved into the age of Aquarius already back then. So the age of Pisces is about to be over. And imagine if Saturn would ignite. As we all know, Earth has its magnetosphere and such, which is much, much, much bigger than the atmosphere where we are crawling at the ground around it, around our globe. If it is possible, like told in the ancient times that Saturn was much bigger and stuff. If it would ignite once again, it would be 100 times bigger. And it's basically because it changed the plasma, changed its state, because it gets excited and therefore visible, and also it transforms into something else. So I stumbled across a video some minutes ago. So now I got especially excited when he was talking about using the Slayer. But hey, check it out. That's something amazing. Like I said, I haven't still managed it till the end because I got too excited about that. Whoever that black magic science dude is, I like him.
We decrease the frequency, is what the general trend I'm seeing. And if I go too low on the bias voltage, the toroid will destabilize and turn back into regular plasma discharge. So watch this. We're at 14.7 peak to peak. Wonder if I can get it all in one shot. I think I can. Let's do this. There we go. Oh, and there we go. That's gone. And I still need my the Slayer to tickle it to excitement. Turn that guy on. Pull him away real quick. And this is my procedure as of now. I turn up the bias pot and watch the potentiometer until I get oscillations. And then I bring the Slayer like this over in a certain fashion near it, and then we get perfect. Oh, sometimes.
And I just want to note now quickly because something happened there, I don't know. But you will see this kind of string here, which goes into the corner of the bottle or however you want to put it. And on that string, you will notice these balls. Like pearls on a string, like galaxies are found in the universe. They are like pearls on a string of our intergalactic Birken currents. Let's continue. That's something really amazing.
And then I found if you ground it more,
See the
you convert
strings?
it to
Like the
a toroid.
glowing balls
Oh
there?
yeah, there we go. So I'm learning a lot about this. Still super cool how it oscillates back and forth in mine. I haven't seen that in the other experimenters who did it. Something it's like this beat frequency. And so yeah, 15 volt peak to peak, 9.5 megahertz. Yeah. So I'm just experimenting with the bias and see what that does. Here, let's get it all in one frame. Try this again. This experiment. Alright, so we're getting all this. See how it's static? Once the toroid goes static and doesn't move anymore, that's how I know it's getting too low of a bias and or too high of a bias, I guess, because as I turn this, the bias voltage increases. So there the gate voltage increases, and if I decrease it too much, there's not enough energy to keep the toroid going. So if I decrease it more, you'll see it's gonna fall apart. Watch. Okay, 17 volt peaks, 9.52. There we go. There you go. And then it jumps to higher peak to peak. Interestingly enough, it's interesting. So the effect that the toroid has on the circuit is that it lowers the peak to peak voltage, and I think also lowers the resonant frequency of the oscillator. So let me turn up the bias again, and then ground it. Pull some more current. There we go. Boom, it's back. So as you can see, the VPP lowered, and also the resonant frequency of the oscillator lowered. Pretty interesting. So that's why I think there's some inductance, some plasma inductance going on, and that this is what's it called? Also, the glass is. Oh wow, glass is hot. Like definitely warm to the touch. So let me decrease the bias.
That's amazing. Send me one of these toys. Like, I would be playing around all day long. It's just about like how plasma, there are different kinds of plasmas, like cold plasma, like clouds we have, like we see, they are like cold plasmas. And if you induce more energy into it, it will transform into something else. Now, like it's emitting light and heat, so it is something different. But it is still plasma, it still behaves as plasma does. And he even gets this pearls on a string, like, I don't know, accidentally, which also proves, plasma works like that. Like, electric universe, plasma theory, totally 100%, like, proven just by this one guy's very beautiful experiment. That's something amazing. And we are not too far away from any lightning strikes, and they can be really scaled up because you can imagine. No, you can't. How much energy would the universe be able to provide if it would be pinched in one place, let's say Earth? there would be a whole lot of energy. And I think, in order for us to feel and see and experience changes in our electromagnetic environment, it wouldn't even need a pinch of the whole universe. Our galaxy is far big enough in order to provide our little planet with a huge abundance of electromagnetic energy and other things. So, from that, I have been talking about dragons. I started off with dragons. And here on the right side in the corner, you can see a small plasma. That's a genie in a bottle. Thanks. Bye.